we got a special item in the mail. It's the Olight sphere. Look at this bad boy. It's already going to be addicting, I know. So I just made a video of the regular O-bulb sphere, regular white light and red. Love it. It actually took 3 days for that thing to die on low mode, regular white. So I'm loving that. Had to pick this one up. This is the latest craze from Olight. Has many different colors. I'm going to show you every color mode on this ball, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you how it looks flashing, low light, highlight. Loving it so far. Many different settings. So let's get right into it. We're just going through some colors right now. To turn it on, you just hold it. To turn it off, you double press. If you want to dim it, all you got to do is hold it while it's on. It's going to ramp down. If you want to turn it to the brightest setting, hold it again, it's going to ramp up. Press it 3 times, it's going to get you into a blinking green mode, which you'll see here shortly. But look at the colors. It's the daytime right now. This video is not doing it justice. It looks great at night. You can tell just by how it looks off of your hand, how bright it is in the hand. That's the 3-press mode right there is what you get. It's got that rubberized bottom, that glow, that crystal ball around it, globe look. It's got a silicone rubber. It's magnetic, of course. Yeah, it looks really cool. I'm digging it. Here it is close up. We're going to show you, like I said, let's ramp up. And then we'll ramp down. This is going to be a blast. Really cool ball. Got it for half off. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to pick one up. Hopefully they're still on sale. But yeah, just wanted to hop on here and show you the new ball, or should I say sphere. Enjoy your weekend.